Hey guys, my name's Tyson Vince from the RV Shop. We're located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're a proud Thor Motor Coach dealer. And today we're going to show you the Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34A. It's a new floor plan for Thor, so we're kind of excited to show it to you.
Hey everybody, my name is Ryan Metter. I'm one of the sales specialists here. I'm going to be tagging along with Mr. Tyson to show you guys the 34A. All right, so we'll start from the front of the coach. As you can see, this is not the V10, this is now the V8. It is a 7.3 liter Triton V8 by Ford. It's going to give you a 350 horsepower, 400 plus pounds of torque. We'll start with this cool little window right here. If you got any pets that like to travel with you, as you can see, they get to see out and have a cool little view themselves. Right below that, you'll notice your 22.5-inch Alcoa wheels. Alcoa are really cool wheels. These all come with the Michelin tires. These are great tires. These are not your bland run-of-the-mill tires. These are Michelin. These are good tires. All right. Start here. On your patio side, you'll notice we have a little 32-inch smart TV with the built-in soundbar into the TV. Right below, and you'll get this a lot on this Windsport, there is a ton of storage in these bays. Tyson, what are these made of?
This is a rotocast plastic. Ryan, I think one of the neatest features about the rotocast is there's a plug right in the back of every one of these bays. Just quickly unscrew it, just a typical cap, hose it out, and then put your cap right back in. It'll dry itself out and you're good to go. Keep your RV looking new. Every cabinet or every baggage door is lit with LED lighting.
Okay, so that's your rotocast storage bin. And as you'll notice, as we keep going down what I mentioned earlier, there is storage galore in here. Right above this is going to be your 50-gallon freshwater tank with your shutoff here. Easy shutoff. And again, like Tyson mentioned earlier, these things are so cool because put your hose in there, spray it off, let it drain down.
Now Ryan, I love how accessible they make this. The freshwater tank can easily be filled by gravity right here, right on the campsite.
Put a hose in there and roll with it. You got your 110 GFCI outlet here. That gets your Blackstone, plug it in right here, put your TV on, put your awning out, have a nice little camp. Here's another one of your storage compartments, deep cell batteries in it.
I think it's neat to show what this, most people don't know what this hook does, but actually if you have a pet, you're always looking for a place to leash up your pet. Well, this is a quick little latch that Thor just adds just so their pets can have a place to leave your pets outside, let them roam around while you're, yeah, pretty neat.
Very pet-friendly coach. Here we go again, huge storage. And as we're approaching the rear of the coach, you're gonna see one last big storage bin on here. All right, finally, on the rear of the curb side coach, you have a quick connect for your LP. You wanna hook up your grill here, you have access to do it quickly and easily.
Ryan, I love the outside look of this coach, all the black.
So Tyson, this is the partial paint feature. This is not only going to give you the bold white that you get in a lot of them that you see. This is also going to give you the black graphics.
Really
in the rear, on the side, and on the front.
Yeah, it really dresses it up. I like it.
All right, and as we come up to the rear of the coach, you'll notice this is a single-piece fiberglass cap with seamless windows. I personally love having a window in the rear. Raise that up. You'll notice when we go inside the space that you have as your slides are closed in. You can literally see from the front to the back with this thing. It's a really cool feature. I like that. As we look down, obviously you have your rear view camera, LED lighting, 8,000-pound hitch, 7-way plug and a 4-way below. Okay. Tyson, is there anything you want to add on the rear?
No, I mean they do a great job of putting the ladder on. It's sturdy. I know that they put backings in behind where all the ladder is mounted. So this ladder can handle up to 250 pounds.
All right. So as we come to the roadside, obviously everybody knows what this is. Fuel for this coach is unleaded, 80-gallon capacity. So you can go a pretty good ways. If you look on this bay, it's another huge storage bay that is pass-through. And if you notice on top, you got if you got, well, here down south, we like to boil crawfish. So if you come in to visit us with your Windsport, crawfish table right across the top. All right, again, this is probably going to be your largest bay. It is another pass through. A couple more crawfish tables to fit in there. And so your city water connections can be located on this side of the coach. TV jack, 50 amp plug. All right, here we have our wet bay. Okay, as you'll notice, we have your macerator here. Hose your shoes off, your wet dog, however you want to do it. Okay, this is your waste pump. That will obviously turn your macerator on. You have two gate valves here, conveniently colored, gray and black. Also, easiest way to access this, get your hose, hook it up, go straight down with it. That's something pretty cool that Thor does. Right back up with it, ready to rock and roll. All right, this is pretty self-explanatory on this one. This is strictly for exhaust. This is your Onan QG 5500, fully capable to power this entire coach. As a 50 amp coach, you're gonna have two ACs inside. This puppy right here will get you nice and cool. And again, same thing we mentioned prior to, this thing's full of storage. I mean, it's got a ton of storage for you. And then finally, that's where you're gonna fill your propane. All right, and before we leave this side, I wanted to touch on these slide toppers. So what these do, as this slide comes out, the topper will follow it, preventing water, debris, things like that to get inside your slide. We make our way here, side mounted cameras. So anytime I press my left blinker, this is gonna pop on and show me what's on this side so I can merge lanes, get close to parking, whatever you use that side vision camera for. As we make our way to this front piece, fiberglass cap on the front. It is, again, it's partially painted with three different colors. So you got your beautiful black coming all the way across. I love the way this thing looks. Halogen LED lights. That pretty much covers the outside of the Windsport 34A.
All right, guys, let's take a look inside the Windsport 34A.
All right, guys, welcome to the inside of the coach. First thing I want to touch on is how cool that Thor's made this front. Digital screen, brand new digital radio and media screen. You also have your one-touch leveling system right here, which is super cool. You really don't have to get up and do that before you get out of the seat. You hit it, you set it, you roll with it. Emergency start, which is important for all of these things. If the batteries die, you hit that button, it helps you start the coach. This is pretty cool. This is a little laptop and office area for your passenger. And the main thing I wanted to touch on with these slides closed is how much space you have in this coach when the slides are closed. As a driver, in that rear window, I can turn around and I can literally see what's behind me if that window's open. I love that. I love having that open space in this coach. All right, so here we are in the rear of the coach. Like I mentioned, these slides are closed. Look at how much access I have to this coach. Sink, stovetop, microwave, easy access to this residential refrigerator. What's the most important part though? Easy access to the bathroom. Wide open door, which is very rare in a closed slide coach. This is a huge bathroom. I'm 6'4", I fit in here very, very well. You also have your cabinetry space here as well. Now, I'll show you this. This is my favorite part. This thing is humongous. Easily turn around, very nice and private. Now also, what I'd like to show you is what's new to the Thor is it's called the shower miser. If you'll notice this blue piece here, a lot of times if you've been camping, everyone knows you turn the hot water on, you let it run, and you kind of lose a lot of your water to gray. you lose a lot of your fresh water to gray. With this system, turn that on, this is going to circulate your water. This 90 degree will turn from blue to gray. Once it's gray, you'll know that the water is hot and you've wasted nothing. Turn it on and roll. All right, so cool little feature that this Windsport has, your Firefly system. Okay, this is what Thor would call the rapid camp system that you would use with your phone. If your phone is hooked into this, it will literally do everything that this will do. Okay, so you're at your home screen, on, off, on your lights. You have access to all of your generators if you want a quiet start time, if you want it to start and stop at any time. Lighting, if you'll see here, if it has an up and a down to it, it will dim. Thermostat, slides, and of course your settings. So now we'll go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so the first thing I want to touch on, this is your new colors for 2023 in your cabinetry. It's the Coastline Gray. Open this up, you'll notice how deep this storage is. Everything's very well put together in this thing, very solid coach. Moving down, you'll see our solid surface countertops, very, very pretty. And again, a ton of storage. This is great, put your little trash can in and out. Touching on storage, you have a ton of storage in this. So if you want to put your pet's toys in there, whatever the case may be. Dream dinette is outstanding. Plenty of room for a full-size person to sit right here, eat, enjoy, play little cards. Put your soft drink in here. Put your phone right here, wireless charger. Really cool. It's got your USB plugs as well. Now, what I'd like to touch while I'm here, cab over bunk. This thing is fantastic. Capable of holding 500 pounds. Plenty enough room for a couple guys to get up there and take them a nap. 2 pins. Drop it down. It'll come to right here. Very easily to get into. This thing offers plenty of sleeping arrangements. You got 2 here, 2 here, and then you got your king size bed in the rear. Now, a cool little feature that Thor's decided to do for us this year. This is a very, very comfortable chair. This is perfect for 3 people to sit. Pull recliner. But say you just want 2 people. There you go. Cup holder, laptop holder, whatever it needs to hold. Remotes for your television and your fireplace. I'm really excited about this. I love that they added this in 23. All right, as we look over here, you'll see that you have your energy efficient residential refrigerator, your 3-piece cooktop burner, and your convection microwave, which is humongous on the inside. All right, speaking about the same thing we spoke about when we started, storage. Everywhere. There's a ton of places to put things. Fully swinging television to where if you're eating, you can kind of enjoy the television. It is a smart TV. The under the shelf lighting for your fireplace. I love accent lighting, especially in the evening. From there, we'll go to your hanging cabinet. This is over 3 feet, or this is over 2.5 feet deep. Hang all the shirts and pants you need. Storage. Now, this does have your privacy door. So if you have people camping up front, people camping in the rear, this will provide you some privacy. As we move through the coach, you will notice that this is prepped for a washer and a dryer. And if you're a camper that doesn't need the washer and dryer, it does have the hanging rack up here. So it kind of doubles your cabinet space. All right, rear seamless window. I love this thing. I've hit it on a couple times. If you're in my view, I can see through the front of the coach, and I love it. I think that's very important for safety reasons. Full-size king bed. This one here, this actually opens all the way through and through. This is a ton of storage, a ton of storage. And as you can see, you have your 6 drawers for your folding clothes. All right, finally, I'd like to, as we make our way out of the coach, what you can see here is you have your GFCI protected outlet 110, your Xantrex that power inverter. This is how you turn your power on and off for the coach. And you know, as you're coming in and out, if you forget the lights are on, turn them on and off right here. This is also how you operate your awning. And that's it for the inside of the coach.
Hope you enjoyed our video of the 2023 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34A. For information on this Windsport and other Thor Motor Coach products like it, check us out at www.rvshoponline.com.
Or you can reach me directly at ryan@rvshoponline.com or call us directly at 225-272-8000. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. Cheers.
Thanks for watching.